Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the biggest works in moral philosophy, Utilitarianism by John Stuart Mill. This book isn't just theory. It's a practical guide to how we make decisions that affect others. So if you've ever wondered what the greatest good for the greatest number really means, stick around. Let's break it all down together. 1. The core principle of utilitarianism. Mill defines utilitarianism as the idea that the right action is the one that brings the most happiness to the most people. For him, happiness means pleasure and the absence of pain. So morality isn't about good intentions, it's about good outcomes. If it helps more people feel better, it's the right thing to do. 2. Not all pleasures are equal. Unlike earlier utilitarians, Mill believed that some pleasures are higher than others. Mental and emotional joys matter more than just physical satisfaction. So he's not pushing for cheap thrills, he's advocating for meaningful happiness. In his view, reading a great book beats eating a great burger. 3. Balancing individual and social good. Mill says individual happiness matters, but not at the cost of others. True morality considers everyone's well-being, not just your own. So utilitarianism isn't about selfishness, it's about collective happiness. You're not truly good unless your actions help the whole, not just the self. 4. Morality grows through education. Mill didn't think morality was just cold calculation. He argued that our moral instincts can grow through education and habit. A just society teaches people to care about others, so being good isn't just logical, it's something we can learn and feel deep down. 5. Answering the critics. Critics say utilitarianism is just fancy selfishness. Mill disagreed. He believed in long-term happiness, not short-term pleasure. True utility comes from thinking ahead, valuing justice, and doing what benefits the most people, not just chasing quick wins. 6. Justice and utility can work together. One of Mill's boldest moves is connecting justice with utility. He argues that fairness, protecting people's rights, is a core part of happiness. A just society is one where everyone has the chance to be happy. For Mill, utility isn't cold math, it's the foundation for a fair world. To sum it all up, utilitarianism by Mill gives us more than a moral rule, it gives us a mindset. One where we think beyond ourselves, take responsibility for others, and aim for deep, lasting happiness. Hope this gave you a solid grasp of the book and some food for thought. Keep questioning, keep growing, and I'll catch you in the next one.